Hello kid. Well, today I want to tell you something about the body parts. Do you remember the last time you had gone to a doctor's clinic? I am sure you have seen a chart like this where all your body parts were mentioned. Can you see? Here we have a small little kid just like you showing his body parts. What are they? Let's find out. They are the head, eye, hand, leg. So these are your body parts. Well, I'm sure you will be remembering when you were a small baby, your parents also taught you your body parts. Do you know why? Because if you get hurt, you need to come and tell your parents or the doctor where have you got hurt so that they can give you the medicine. Similarly, we see over here a small little kid has hurt her head. So, she is touching her body part, that is the head. Next, we have a baby putting cream on her hand. Well, she has hurt her hand and hand is the body part of hers. You remember the last time you ate outside? You must have held your tummy like this. And you also must be holding your stomach like this. And when you were playing in the playground and you fell down suddenly, you hurt your leg. Remember the bandage that you had put on this body part? This is the leg. Now, I will tell you a sweet little ant story. His name is Anthony. See how cute it looks? Just like you, Anthony is also a small baby ant and he loves to roam around, play and have lots of fun. One day, poor Anthony was very sick. He went to the doctor and said, "Doctor, I am having pain in here, here and here." Hearing Anthony, the doctor said, "Well, my dear Anthony, you need to know your body parts, or else how would you tell me where it's hurting?" Well, so you see, you need to know the body parts poem. So let me teach you the poem of the body parts of the insect. Who knows, one day one insect might come to you and say he is hurt. So if you don't know the body parts poem, how would you help him? Right? So let's learn it. Two little antennas on his head for finding food. It is made. So here what do we see? The ant's first body part, that is the antennas. See, two little structures on his head. These are known as the antennas. Now, let me ask you something. Well, have you seen a TV? I'm sure you did. And did you notice the antenna on its head? Doesn't it look just like the antenna of the ant? It does, right? Just the antenna of the TV helps it to find the signal. Similarly, the antenna of the ants give them the scent or the aroma of the food, and the ant goes and find it. So now you know why the ant has got antennas on its head. For the food, it is made. Now, not only the ant, even here we see a honeybee. Even the honeybee has got two antennas to find its food. Let's see the second part. A big round head for the ant to think. The eyes always blink. So here we see the ant has got a round head over here and the head has got two eyes. the ant has got two cute little eyes as well. So, as you and me, all of us have a head. Similarly, the ant also has a head, which helps it to think. And what do we have in our head? Well, we have the eyes and the mouth. Similarly, cute little Anthony also has eyes and mouth. Now, what are eyes and mouth used for? Well, the eyes help him to see and the mouth helps him to eat. So, what did we learn just now? The ant has a big round head which helps it to think and eyes and mouth to see and eat. What's this below my head? Thorax it is, for legs it is made. So, after the antennas, head, eyes and mouth, we have the thorax. This portion of the body is known as thorax. Why is it used? Well, you can see all of our legs are attached to the thorax. So, what's this below my head? Thorax it is, for legs it is made. Can you see two different pictures of the ant? And all the legs are attached to the thorax over here. So, this is why the ant has a body part named thorax. Well, for digesting food, this is used, abdomen it is called, remember, so. Now we have got a different body part which is just below the thorax. What is its name? Its name is abdomen. And why is it used? Well, it is used for digesting food. See, we have got two pictures of the ant. See, the ant is having food and then the abdomen will help in digesting the food. Now, I have a question for you. Which body part of the ant helps in digesting food? Is it the first option head, second option thorax, or the third and the last option abdomen? Can't remember? Let me tell you. Well, we have learned the head helps ant to think. So, head is a wrong option. Below the head, it is the thorax. What is it used for? Well, all of the legs of the ant are attached to the thorax. It does not help in digesting food. So, this is also a wrong option. So, the correct option is the abdomen. It is the part of the ant which helps in digesting food. So, here we have learnt about the ant. But what about the other insects like the honeybees and others? Do they also have similar kind of body parts? Let's see. Well, over here as well, we see they have the head, the thorax and the abdomen. So, these body parts are there. Even we have the legs. But some insects can fly as well. They are the flyers. So, they have two little cute wings as well. See, the honeybee over here, it has got two wings which helps it to fly. So, these are the different kind of insects that we have in our insect kingdom. Some can fly like the honeybee, some cannot fly like the ant. So, my dear kid, what have we learnt? Well, we have learnt the body parts of the different kind of insects. What are the common body parts? The head, the thorax, the abdomen, the legs and the antenna. So, some insects can fly. They have the wings and they are known as the flyers. And some insects cannot fly like the ant. So, next time when some ant like Antony comes for help, you can definitely help them because now you know the body parts of insects poem. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per ICC, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. More than 5,000 plus amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social studies. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubt. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So, at deltastep.com, learning is not only fun and easy but also rewarding. So, register for free now.